Hi children, good morning. Back to our channel JP Home Tuitions. Today we are going to learn the maths topic from count and match. Okay, first we'll see. Okay, we should count and we should match. Here they are given. First they given leaves. How many leaves are there? We should count. See, they given the right side 10, 3, 4, 5 and last one is 8. Okay, from first to top we'll see. Okay, are you able to see? Okay, first how many leaves are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this, where is the 4 number? Here. So we should match this 4. Okay, next how many trees are there? Next 1, 2, count, 3, 4 and 5. See, 5 here. Next, how many flowers are there here? 1, 2, 3. Where is the 3? Here. Okay, you should match this. How many balls are there? This is a tough question to you. More balls are there. You count it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Where is 8 in this? Here. So we should match this. Next, ice cream. How many ice creams are there here? Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ice creams are there. Okay, where is the number here? Starting. Okay, you should match here 10. Okay, done? Very good. I'm going to learn about count and circle in maths. Okay, see here how many suns are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 suns are in these numbers. Where is the 3 number? This is the last. We should circle it. Okay, 3. Okay, next, how many butterflies are you able to see here? 1 and 2. In these 3 numbers, where is the 2? 1, 0, 2, 4. Here 2. This is, we should circle it. Okay, next, how many smiles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 are there. So see the number here, 5, 9, 3. So you got the 5 count. So we should circle the 5. Okay, next, how many tomatoes are there here? You can count. 1, observe properly, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9. Where is the 9 here? Second. So you can circle it. Okay, see the last one. How many jets are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 are there. In this 7, 0, 2. 7, you circle it. Okay. Learn the maths nursery. The topic is count and color. Okay, they have given here the numbers and they have given here to color it. Okay, count and color. Here they have given 3. So you should color the 3 boxes here. So coloring. See, I am coloring. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Enough. Why? Because they have given here 3. Next, what number they given here? 4. See, now we'll take the another color. Red I am taking 4. They have given 4, so you should circle here. We should color here 4. 1, 2, this is 3 and 4. Okay, this is the 4. Next, what number they have given? See, 5. So I'm taking green. Next, okay, they given 5. You should color it 5. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 5 boxes we have covered here. Yay. Okay, next what color shall we take? Orange I am taking. Next they have given 1. 1 means only one box you should color it. Okay, next, last and final, how many boxes are there? I am taking this blue color. They have given 2, so you should color only 2 boxes here. 1, 2. Okay children, you can recheck it from starting. They have given 3, so you have colored 1, 2, 3. Next they have given 4, so you have colored 1, 2, 3 and 4. They have given 5, so you have covered 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next they have given 1, you colored 1. They have given 2, 2. So your total is correct.